To add a transition between slides, navigate to the slide where you want to transition. Select the Transitions tab, and in the Transition to this slide command group, select the More button. Transitions are visual effects that occur as you advance from one slide to the next in a presentation. As you see in the Transition Gallery, PowerPoint 2016 includes a wide array of transition effects that you can apply to the slides in your presentation. When you select a transition, PowerPoint shows you a preview of it. You can easily change a transition on the slide by selecting another transition. These are a lot of fun. You can also take a second look at your transitions by going to Transitions, Preview, and selecting Preview. This shows you the transition effect as many times as you want. In Timing, you can modify the speed of transitions under Duration. You can change transition attributes, such as direction or shape, in Effect Options. The options here depend on the transition you've selected. You can also add sounds to your transitions. Sounds can be great, but don't overdo it, because you want to make sure people pay attention to your presentation, and not just the funny noise. Transitions can play automatically, after a certain amount of time. You can also program the transition to respond to keystrokes or mouse clicks. You can keep both options selected so that the slide advances after 44 seconds, or whatever you program here, or whenever you press a mouse click before that time. It's always a good idea to preview any changes you make to your transition, as you saw me do, because if you don't, and something isn't quite right, it will be very noticeable to audience members, and your fumbling around during your presentation won't look very professional. Of course, this transition has only been applied to this slide. It'd be nice if I could apply the transition to all the slides in the presentation. And indeed, I can. By going to Transitions, Timing, and selecting Apply to All. Let's see what an actual presentation would look like from the beginning. I'll go to Slideshow, Start Slideshow, from the beginning. I'll navigate to various slides by using mouse clicks, or keyboard shortcuts like the arrow keys. Press the Escape key to exit the slideshow. Pretty cool. You've learned how to add and modify transitions, as well as preview transitions before starting a slideshow.